Have you ever wondered if your financial privacy is truly private? What if every transaction you made was on the radar of a certain entity, scrutinizing your every financial move? Welcome to the world of central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. In its simplest form, a CBDC is a type of virtual currency that is issued and governed by a country's central bank. Whereas traditional currencies require physical transactions or the use of a middleman like a bank or financial institution, CBDCs exist wholly in the digital realm, speeding up the process considerably. The technology behind CBDCs is often based on blockchain, the same technology that powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, on to the heart of the matter. Here are 5 reasons why CBDCs pose serious concerns. Firstly, CBDCs have the potential to act as a big brother in your financial life. Every transaction you make, every dime you spend, could be monitored and controlled. This level of oversight is unprecedented and raises serious privacy concerns. Secondly, the control of CBDCs is typically in the hands of 1 or 2 major central banks. This centralization contradicts the decentralization principle that is the backbone of cryptocurrencies, potentially leading to a monopoly on the currency and the power that comes with it. Thirdly, with CBDCs, the government could, in theory, lock you out of your bank account with a single click. The power to invalidate your digital currency lies in their hands, not yours. Fourthly, some proposed models of CBDCs encourage spending over saving. If you don't spend your digital currency within a certain time frame, you might lose it. This could make long-term financial goals like buying a house a challenging feat. Lastly, CBDCs pose a significant invasion of privacy. With every transaction recorded and traceable, the anonymity that cash provides is lost. In conclusion, while CBDCs may seem like a step towards financial modernity, they also bring with them a host of concerns around privacy, control, and financial freedom. However, there's a glimmer of hope. Cryptocurrencies, decentralized and peer-to-peer, stand as a beacon in the face of CBDCs. With cryptocurrencies, you maintain sovereignty over your own funds, a crucial factor in preserving financial independence and privacy. So as we gaze into the future of finance, it's essential to consider not just the conveniences of new technologies, but also the freedoms they may compromise. The rise of CBDCs is a testament to this, a reminder that with every leap forward, we must take a moment to consider what we might be leaving behind.